Hello guys, in this video we're doing lowest common multiple. So want to see what is lowest common multiple? Is the lowest multiple of two or more given numbers. For example, can we have 2 times 2 and 6, and say 2 and 3. We know that if we say 2 times 3, we get 6. That will be our lowest. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. But now, we want to see how we calculate lowest common multiple of bigger numbers. Sometimes we might have a number like 5 and 6. Our lowest common multiple, we can find it by saying 5 times 6, which is equal to 30. But now let's see how to find lowest common multiple of bigger numbers. Let's have an example. E.g., lowest common multiple of 20 and 50. So what we do here, the first step is to express a number as a product of its prime factors. So let's express 20 as a product of its prime factors. Smallest prime factor is 2. 2 into 20, 10, 2 into 10, 5, 5 into 5, 1. Let's express 15. 2 can't get into 15, so the lowest factor is 3. 3 into 15 is 5. 5 into 5, 1. Therefore, 20 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5. Then 15 is equal to 3 times 5. So in this case, what you do, you can see between 20 and 15, we have, it is made up of, we have 2s, 3s, and 5s. Here we're not cancelling to find the common number or whatsoever. So what we do, you take the longest chain of each group. This group, I mean, it's either a group of 2s, group of 3s, group of 5s. It doesn't matter where it is. If you are seeing a longest chain here, you take it there. If let's say we have a short chain of 2 here, then you don't take the short, you take the longest one. Then groups of 5, you take the longest chain of 5. Group of 3, longest chain of 3. So in this case, our lowest common multiple, LCM, is equal to our longest chain of 2, we see it here is 2 times 2. Longest chain of 3 is here, it's a 3. Longest chain of 5 is the same on 20 and 15, so just take 1. So you write 5 like that. Then you multiply these numbers. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 5 is equal to, we get 60. This is the lowest multiple where you can divide 20 into 6. So if we say 20 divided by 60, we get 3. 15 can also be divided into 60 as well. So this is our lowest common multiple. If we multiply 20 times 15, we get 300. Yes, 300 is a multiple of these numbers, but it's not the lowest, because if you say, if this is our lowest common multiple, we say 20 is 60 divided by 20, you get the answer. Then 15, 60 divided by 15, you get the answer. 300, you still get the answers, but 300 is not the smallest, or is the lowest, not the lowest. So this is how you calculate the lowest common multiple. is an example of calculating lowest common multiple of three given numbers, which is 30, 48, and 64. So our first thing, we express those numbers as a product of their prime factors. First one is 30. 2 into 30, 15. 3 into 15, 5. 5 into 5, 1. Then next number is 48. 2 into 48, 24 times. 2 into 24, 12. 2 into 12, 6. 2 into 6, 3. 3 into 3, 1. Also we have 64. 2 into 64 is 32. 2 into 32, 16. 2 into 16, 8. 2 into 8, 4. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 2, 1. So 30 is equal to 2 times 3 times 5. Then 48 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I missed another 2. Then 64 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. So our LCM, this one, between our numbers, they are composed of groups of 2s, group of 3s, and group of 5s. So where do we find the longest chain of 2? It's this one. So we copy it down, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 times. Then longest chain of 3. We have 3 here, 3 there, so just take 1. Then longest chain of 5, which is there. This is equal to 64 multiplied by 64 is this part. Then this part, 3 times 5 we get 15. So 64 times 15. It's 960, which is our LCM. So if you check, 30 can be divided into 960, 48 can also be divided into 960, as well as 64.